You go into IKEA for one lamp. 90 minutes later, you leave with a cart full of things you'd never heard of and a lamp you're not even sure you found. That's not you being weak. That's the building working exactly as designed. By the end of this, you'll know why IKEA is built like a maze with no shortcuts. And stay to the end, because there's a name for what that maze does to your brain, and once you know it, you'll see it in every store you ever walk into. Notice something next time. In IKEA, there's really only one way through, a long, winding path with arrows on the floor, snaking you through every single department, in order, whether you want it or not. You can't just walk to lamps, grab one, and leave. There is no straight line to anything, and that is not laziness or bad planning. It's the most deliberate part of the whole store. To understand it, you have to meet the man who invented the modern shopping experience, and then spent his life regretting it. His name was Victor Gruen. In the 1950s, he designed the very first enclosed shopping mall, and in doing it, he discovered something powerful about human behavior. When you drop a person into a big, glittering, slightly confusing space, something flips in their head. They lose track of why they came. They start to wander. And a wandering shopper is an impulse shopper. Psychologists named it after him, the Gruen effect. IKEA didn't just stumble into this. It built its entire floor plan around it and gave the maze a friendly name, the long, natural way. Nothing about it is natural. Every turn is placed on purpose. The path forces you past the maximum possible amount of product before you're allowed to pay. Cozy room sets plant ideas you never had. Then, right as decision fatigue sets in, come the bins, the cheap candles, the frames, the plants, the things that cost almost nothing. That's not clutter. That's the harvest. Study after study finds that a huge share of what people buy in stores was never on their list. It's decided in the moment by the environment. IKEA engineers that moment over and over, all the way to the till. So the lamp you came for was never the point. The 90 minutes was the point. Here's the part to sit with. You always feel a little lost in IKEA, mildly confused, not quite sure where you are or how to get out. That feeling isn't a flaw in the design. That feeling is the design. The confusion is the product. IKEA isn't a shop you navigate. It's a track you're sent down, a one-way course built, step by step, to hold you inside the Gruen effect for as long as possible, so your planning brain switches off and your impulse brain fills the cart. You think you're browsing, you're being conveyed. And the wildest part? Victor Gruen, the man who unlocked all of this, hated what it became. Near the end of his life, he disowned the whole industry, refusing, in his words, to pay alimony for the monster he'd fathered. Now, to be fair, it isn't pure manipulation, and it isn't all bad for you. That winding path genuinely shows you ideas you'd never have gone looking for. A lot of people love their IKEA day out. And the whole flat pack, walk the warehouse, do-it-yourself model is a big reason the furniture is so cheap. You're paying with your time and effort instead of money. Gruen himself dreamed of malls as warm community spaces. The manipulation is what retail did with his idea, not what he intended. The point isn't that IKEA is evil. It's that the confusing layout is completely deliberate, and it works on you. So, there's one way through IKEA because the maze is the machine. It drops you into the Gruen effect, confused, wandering, impulse buying, and routes you past everything before it lets you pay. The lamp was bait. The walk was the business. The next time you feel a little lost in a store, smile, and remember that feeling was installed on purpose. Send this to whoever you always lose inside IKEA. And subscribe because next, why do mattress stores sit completely empty on expensive corners and never seem to go out of business? The answer will change how you shop for one.